Okay, so John, I have a question.
Yeah.
You have a hole in your wall.
Uh-huh.
How do you fix a hole in the wall?
By just kind of putting pieces back in. Hopefully, see if I remember how these came out.
We're here at a fireside chat with John. So John, what was it like being eaten by a shark?
It's pretty epic. It's like Jonah and the whale, you know.
Mm.
It's down there for a while.
So I heard you bought a house.
I really just bought a fireplace that came with a house.
You needed to fix some things. You needed a new kitchen.
There is a new kitchen.
What else do you need to fix?
I don't know, a ceiling fan.
Okay, so you just need one ceiling fan. Anything else for tonight? Or is that it?
I don't know. I'm not going to get my hopes up. Things always take way longer than I expect. Step 1, make sure you're not going to get electrocuted. So 1 should be for the ceiling fan, 1 should be for the light.
So you did have to go climb through the attic.
Yeah, and here's the fun part, because they ran the wiring in the bay next to it.
Yeah.
Not the one with the switch, and then it came up and over.
Yeah.
So when you're in the attic feeding the wire down,
Mm-hmm.
you could never get it over here. So we had to like cut the whole wall out.
You're going lefty, right? Lefty loosey?
Yep. That's what I've been using for lighting in this room. It's the job done pretty well.
It actually does pretty well. Oh, nicely done. Whoa.
13 years.
Nice.
What do you think of the odds that'll actually last 13 years?
13%.
Probably.
Wow. Fan going. Not bad.
It's a ceiling fan.
What's this?
The old shower curtain rod.
No.
But I don't know what happened.